Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you all are doing absolutely awesome. This is Parthiv from the Tech Geek and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna review the Asus Zenfone Max Pro after its usage of 2 months. So let's get started with the video. Let's talk about the first thing, which is the performance, which is the main thing in a smartphone. Now, Asus has thrown in a Snapdragon 636 inside this phone, which is a very much capable chipset. You won't notice any lag in the day-to-day usage, and the phone which I have has a 6GB RAM variant. And trust me guys, you won't find any other phone having a better RAM management than this one. Even it has the better RAM management than the Poco F1. So this is a very capable phone. You can game on it. It plays every game very well. So you won't notice any lag, and it feels like a flagship. Not a flagship, but a budget flagship. So it is a performance beast, guys. So if you want to buy a phone for performance, then this might be your choice under the 15K price bracket. So let's move on to the second criteria, which is the battery. Asus has thrown in a whopping 5000 mAh battery inside, and it lasts about 1.5 days easily with heavy usage. So it is a very capable phone. As I said earlier, it can game, it can do anything you throw on it, and besides it has a 5000 mAh battery, which makes the phone a performance beast. So now let's talk about the build of the smartphone. It is an all metal build, and it has got 18:9 aspect ratio to the front, and to the back it is all metal. So I won't say that it is a very good build, because there are phones in this price bracket that are made up of glass. So the other phones feel more premium in the hand, but this also has a good build. I would say a very solid build. So if you want a glass phone and you want something premium, then this might not be your choice. So now let's move on to the camera, which is also a very important part. It has got a 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel shooter to the back, and a 16 megapixel front camera in the front, and it can shoot some good photos. I will show you some of the camera samples so that you can judge how much this camera takes care. As for my opinions, this camera is decent. I would say it is not too much good as the other phones in this price bracket. The 6GB RAM phone has a different camera setup than that of the 4GB and other phones, other variant of this phone. So the 6GB variant has a slightly better camera than the other two. So I would not recommend this phone if you are only buying a phone for camera. I would rather recommend this phone for performance. So the camera can shoot some good photos, but you know, it's not up to the mark. Now let's move on to the last thing, which is the cellular call quality and the extras, I would say. Now the cellular call quality is very good in this phone. In fact, you have an option to change the SIM while in call. So cellular call quality is very good. The fingerprint scanner is fast and accurate, and you have face unlock, which works fine. It takes about 1 second or 2 seconds to unlock, and it is good. It can unlock in low light also, I have seen. So it is good in extras, it is good in performance, and if you want a phone of performance, this is your choice, bro. And this has a very good RAM management. Only con is the camera here, and you know, it is compromisable. If you are a enthusiast, then this camera is not too bad for you. So I think I'm ending my video here. So that was about the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked it, then don't forget to smash that like button down below. And if you want to share something about your experience of the Zenfone Max Pro, if you have one of them, then do tell me in the comment box below, and do let me know on what content should I make my next video. So I will be working on your recommendations. So subscribe to the YouTube channel, share my videos, and keep sharing, keep supporting. So till the next video, this is Parthiv. We are bidding you goodbye.